Creating an item in NetSuite involves adding a new record to manage products or services that your business buys, sells, or uses internally. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into NetSuite. Access your NetSuite account using your credentials. Navigate to Items. Go to the main menu and click on Lists. Select Accounting and then Items. Add New Item. Click on the New button to create a new item record. Choose Item Type. Select the appropriate item type based on whether it's an inventory, non-inventory, service, or other charge item. Enter item details. Fill in the necessary fields such as the item name, description, and item number. Specify additional details like unit of measure, cost, and price. Set up accounting preferences. Configure accounting preferences for the item, including income and expense accounts, inventory details, and tax codes. Assign categories and custom fields. Categorize the item by assigning appropriate categories or tags. Utilize custom fields to capture specific information relevant to the item. Save the record. Review the information entered to ensure accuracy. Click Save to create the item record. Additional settings. Customize item settings further by adding images, specifying reorder points, or setting up pricing levels if applicable.